Please don't wait until it's too late. Hey folks, if you haven't thought about drafting your own will yet, well, you may want to give it some serious thought. Why? Stick around and I'll give you the lowdown. First off, let's clear up what a will is. Simply put, it's a legal document that spells out what happens to your stuff after you die. Your assets, your property, your prized baseball card or coin collection, or you name it. Without a will, you don't get to decide who your stuff goes to when you die. And there's another reason, which I'll get to in a minute, so stick with me. I often get asked, well, what happens if I die in Georgia without a will? And the answer is, the state has a will for you already. Well, sort of. It's not technically a will, but it is a set of rules in the Georgia law books about who your worldly possessions go to if you die without a will of your own. So the problem with that is that you might not want your stuff to go to the same people that it will go to by default if you die intestate. That means without a will. Suppose you want your golfing friend to receive your clubs and the golf cart you own, or your romantic partner that you're living with to be able to continue staying in the home that you own that you've both been living in. None of these things are sure to happen if you don't have a will. Here's the other problem with dying without a will. Your estate will be tied up for an unknown period of time, and your loved ones will need to go through a very confusing and costly and lengthy process with the probate court to be able to access your accounts, sell your home, your car, etc. It just creates a mess. Having a will avoids all of these problems, and they are quick and easy to do. Look, I get it. Creating a will means you're acknowledging that this ride we're on will eventually come to an end. And when it does, there are loved ones who will grieve your loss. So do you want to make that grieving process even more painful for them? Or do you want to plan ahead and make their grieving and the process of moving on without you as smooth and painless as possible, and make the distribution of your assets as easy as possible, avoid the infighting that often happens, and do you want to have the final say in who gets what? That's what even a simple will can do for you. It's a very loving thing to do. Drafting your own will in Georgia gives you the power to call the shots. It's your chance to make sure that your belongings go where you want them to go. Another thing a will in Georgia can do if you have minor children, it allows you to designate who will take the kids if you and their other parent are no longer around. I know it's a tough subject to tackle, but it's necessary for your kids' well-being. So there it is. Having your own will in Georgia, rather than having the state's default will for you, is a very smart move, and it shows your family how much you love them. It's your chance to take control, protect your loved ones, and ensure your legacy lives on the way you want it to. Please don't wait until it's too late. Take action now and give yourself and your family that peace of mind. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos and leave us some comments and ask us questions. Tell me what other topics you'd like for me to talk about. Join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody for more information. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.